Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to build a branded Shopify dropshipping business using Google 2026, a complete walkthrough. So guys, if you want a real branded dropshipping business in 2026, not a quick flip store, Google is your best friend. Google is going to get the job done. Here's how you can actually build a Shopify dropshipping brand using Google step by step. Step one, you're actually going to have to pick a brandable niche. So, Google favors brands and not gimmicks. So, please keep that in mind when you select a niche. Try to choose a problem based niche where you can offer a solution using your Shopify account. And then also evergreen demand. So, people should actually demand for solutions and also products that people search for. So, those are the three categories you should be looking to pick your niche from. A problem based niche where you can actually solve the problem with the products that you have on your Shopify store, and also products that people are searching for so people can actually see your content once it's ready. Now, step two is validating demand with Google. So you can use the Google search, you can use Google Trends, and you can also use people also ask. If people search for it, then they're going to buy it. What does this simply mean? Those statements I just made. Now, if you were to simply log on to trends.google.com and move from the home section to the trending now option, you would find some of the latest trends for the 1st of January. Being when this is recorded, yours might be a bit different, but you will see the search volume, and as such, you would curate your store to reflect this. How do you do this? Basically, all you need to do is just as you can see, the number one trend is New Year's. So make sure your content or your website is centered around the New Year's Day. Basically, you try to keep up or try to match the trend, and also try to make sure your content matches what is trending. Remember, you're meant to provide problems, you're meant to provide a solution, and you're also meant to have products that people search for. So you can think of things like home, fitness, pets, beauty, and tech accessories. People are always on the lookout for those kind of things. And then you can curate your searches by location, time, categories, trend types, and relevance, basically. Now, another thing you need to do to make sure your Shopify store is branded in our next step is to actually build a branded Shopify store. So your store should look like a brand. If you head back to your Shopify and then head over to the online store. While we're on this topic, I would like to mention that Shopify provides you with an artificial intelligence which would help you. Yes, the AI inside of Shopify can actually help you build your website. It can make your brand colors. Let's say your brand colors is lemon or your brand colors are red. It can simply customize the text body. You can customize the text body. You can customize your themes. You can even customize it down to the color of your store. You can get your entire store to have one outlook when people are engaging with it. So your store should look like a brand. Make sure there's a clean logo and the colors are simple. And also, it should be simple to navigate. That's why I would suggest you try to keep your store as a one page store. It's quite easy to do with Shopify. Instead of having two pages besides your checkout page, just the one page is okay. And also, an About Us page should include a little story or something that people can react to. All right. And now the next step is optimizing your website for Google. That's your store for Google. To do this, you're going to need to have your keywords in your product titles. How do you go about this? If you were to head over to the products menu of your Shopify page, click on products here. Once the menu opens up, go ahead and click on add product. If you have any existing products elsewhere, you can import them as a certain file type. But I'm just going to be going straight to click on add product. So once you've clicked on add product, you're taken to where you can actually add a product. Now, here is where the magic is done in the description and in the title. So make sure the keywords are SEO optimized. So there should be SEO friendly descriptions here. And then in terms of the title, there should be keyword based product titles. So just try to curate everything and make sure the whole thing looks good and you're able to get the best out of the SEO optimization so your website or your Shopify store stands out. All right. And then the last step or one other step is to use Google Shopping and search ads. So basically, you can start small, by using Google Shopping for buyers. So you can actually put some of your links on the Google Shopping. You can also search for ads that have high intent keywords. So you can make use of other people's ads to simply make sure your content stands out. How does that work? If you head over to TikTok Creative, that's ads.tiktok.com/business, and from the TikTok Creative Center, head over to Trends and click on Trends Overview. If you scroll through, you'd find what is trending. That is hashtags that are trending, creators that are trending, TikTok videos that are also trending that you could simply recreate for your ads using artificial intelligence to recreate some of the scenes and advertisements that are being done or displayed on TikTok. All right. And then last but not least, adding content for authority. So basically, you can create blog posts. Creating a blog post is quite easy if you're doing so using WordPress, but you can use alternate platforms to have your blogs done and created, as well as guidelines or, aids when people are buying. And please make sure on your product page you're giving them some of the best content in your description. Your description should be short, straight to the point, but it should be SEO optimized in such a way that when someone searches for it, they would be able to find it easily. All right, guys, and that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.